Hi, I'm Emily Petty and I'm from the Supporter Experience Collective. Welcome to our bite-sized video, and today we're going to be talking all about decision making. So this is a period of time when we're going through rapid change. We're changing how we work, we're changing where we work, we're having to make some quite significant decisions very, very quickly. And now's the time to empower your team. So I've been working with a few charities over the past 6 weeks, and I've noticed that a lot of the leaders have been inundated with, in terms of sort of being in Zoom meetings, inundated with emails. They're feeling stressed and exhausted. So I'm going to introduce you to a really simple tool today which will help empower your teams to make decisions, the decisions that they can make, and leave you to be making the decisions that are really critical to the success of your team or your organisation. So the concept is called Waterline decision making. So the idea is, it's a bit of an analogy really, that your team or your organisation is a boat and you're sailing along the waters, and each decision is potentially a cannonball that could hit your boat, and you need to really be thinking about, how will this decision impact my team or impact my organisation? So there are two types of decisions. One is an above the waterline decision. So this decision, if it goes wrong, or that it fails, or it's the wrong decision, it could hit the boat, but it would hit the boat above the waterline. So actually it wouldn't sink your boat, your team, and it wouldn't cause so much disruption that it's a sort of massive issue. But the below the waterline decisions are the ones that are below the waterline, and therefore could have an impact on your team and could sink your boat. So as a leader, your role is to help your team identify what level of decisions any decision is, so whether it's above the waterline or below the waterline. So how do you do that? So the key thing is to be really open and transparent about that, and to help empower your team to really think about the decisions that they're bringing to you. So I would say that the key to do that is to work with your team to have that open conversation, to say, let's bring what decisions we need to make in the next coming week and assess each of them and understand whether it's an above the waterline decision or a below the waterline decision. So this is an initial conversation to help really tease out what level of decision making should be coming to you and what should be being held within your team. And then in that open conversation, you can set some really simple parameters, and then perhaps after a week or a day or a month, depending on how rapid your level of change is, you can just review that to say, did we make the right decisions? Who made the decisions? Should that have come up, or should that have stayed down? And also the ones that came up when you are when every time a decision is brought to you that is above the waterline, you just need to very gently encourage your team member to say, well, actually, I think you can answer that, and I give you the authority and empower you to make that decision. So I hope that's a useful concept and idea. It's one that I think is just very simple and straightforward, and that you can share with your team. If you've got any comments and want to share more ideas with us, please do drop us an email at hello@supporterexperience.co.uk, and if you want to comment and share it on the videos, please use our hashtag SE Collective. Great, and I hope you have a lovely day, and we'll be sending out more videos in the coming days and weeks.